Hi, everyone. Today, I wanted to talk about how to check on a Cummins ISX CM87071, how to tell if your injector check valves are leaking. So, number one, they make this tool, and this tool is going to replace your metering actuator. So, to use this tool, you would simply take this guy off, put this tool in its place, bolt it down, and run this tube to a bucket of fuel, right? Then what you would want to do is you come over here to your vibration damper and you rotate it until one of the three letters starts to come up to the timing mark. The letters on the vibration damper are A, B, and C, and they go in firing order sequence. So if firing order is 153-624, A1, B5, C3, back to A, you're at 6 again, B2, and then 4, right? So you have traveling companions. And since you may not necessarily know when you reach A if it's 1 or 6 on the compression stroke, you may have to rotate the engine around twice while doing this test, right? So ultimately, what we're looking for here is bubbles showing up in our bucket that we have this running through, because the only way air can be coming through this thing and going through our tube into our bucket is if that air is leaking through the injector check valve, right? So as I'm rotating this and say A is starting to come up on cylinder number one, and I start seeing bubbles as that A approaches the timing marks, it means the compression in the cylinder is leaking through the injector check valve, in which case I need to replace that injector. The key to this, though, is to remember that this actuator that I put this on is only controlling cylinders 1, 2, and 3. So when I run through the process of rotating the engine and looking for bubbles, I need to reassemble this one and then take the one that controls 4, 5, and 6 apart and repeat that, right? If I see any of my letters coming up and then I see bubbles, I can always relate that if I'm on cylinders 1, 2, and 3, and I see B, I know that B is for 5 and 2. So that would mean that if I'm on the front one, cylinder number 2 is leaking if B is what was coming up. And if I was on 4, 5, and 6, I know that it's cylinder 5 that was leaking. So this is a great tool. It's a really easy way to quickly test your check valves and your injectors. It would be the result of a concern with a rough running engine, poor running, hard starts, anything that air in your fuel could be causing. And having the compression in your cylinder enter your fuel system is definitely going to cause that. So I hope this video kind of helped clear up how we would test injector check valves. I'll put a link in the video for this tool. If your shop doesn't have one or you don't have one and you work on a lot of these engines, it's a worthwhile purchase. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.